feel good. And how did this not make you feel good about yourself? I don't know. I'm so confused. Me too. Gravity, you know. I'm falling. What if the sun just comes down and hits us all? What about her? Who? Who, Max? Who? My mom! I have something to say about that. What is it, Sarah? Do tell of your words. Your mom? What about her? She ate some Cheez-It. No! What has the world come to? Why do you keep doing this? I don't know! Help me, please! You do, Max, you do! I don't know. I'm so confused! Whoop. Bye-bye! Bye! Okay, now send it. Oh, what? It's recording! It's recording! I was supposed to end it sooner. I admit. I should have done it sooner. I admit this now. But it's too late! Failure! It's never too late!